Networks are becoming more and more complex, at the same time becoming more indispensable for business operations. And to meet that challenge, an increasing number of small and medium-sized businesses, or SMBs, are turning to professional managed service providers, or MSPs, to manage and maintain their networks. Now, to meet the needs of these emerging MSPs, NETGEAR Business has built from the ground up a management tool specifically designed for MSPs servicing SMBs. It's called Insight, and it allows MSPs to remotely monitor all customer networks through a secure cloud service, strengthening their services business while increasing efficiencies and reliability. This course will give you a clearer understanding of the term remote cloud management, as well as provide you with an overview of several popular business cloud management solutions, highlighting the advantages and features of NETGEAR Insight. With the exponential increase in wireless devices and Internet of Things, or IoT, many small campuses and businesses are struggling to maintain a fast yet efficient wireless network. Some of the current mid to large wireless installations are designed as a flat wireless network, where all or many access points are on the same VLAN or local area network. Implementing and managing a flat wireless network with a large number of access points is a complex and somewhat confusing task. Even with new technologies such as Wi-Fi 6 or 802.11ax slowly becoming the norm, many schools and small businesses are looking for easy-to-use deployment techniques and scalable solutions which can meet these new wireless technology trends. And NETGEAR provides the ideal scalable wireless cloud management solution using NETGEAR Insight Management and Insight Managed Access Points. NETGEAR Insight is a cloud-based management platform that enables easy setup and configuration of NETGEAR Insight Managed Access Points, switches and business routers. With the cloud advantage of unified setup and configuration of devices, simplified ongoing maintenance, continuous visibility and control, remote access, scalability and reliability, Insight takes the complexity and rigidity out of networking. Insight offers MSPs all the networking functionalities most small businesses need, and each Insight account can easily and quickly scale as required. From a single screen, MSPs can support hundreds, even thousands of small business customers, even those with multiple locations, without the need for continuous physical site visits. And Insight users can even access real-time information on the status of the network from each connected device across multiple sites and even multiple customers, providing detailed, exportable data for reports. Let's look at how Insight works with wireless products. If we look at this diagram, at the top we have our Insight account. Then under that is our Insight organisation, which is a sub-account of a single Insight account. Finally, we have our Insight network location. Now, the organisation would include, say, a business owner who owns the physical NETGEAR devices, holds the NETGEAR support and warranty entitlements for those devices, and more importantly, grants the administrator the admin permissions to manage the organisation. From here, multiple network locations can then be supported, each of which can be considered a sub-account of the organisation. And these locations are where the physical NETGEAR devices reside, which are managed by NETGEAR Insight for a fully centralized, cloud-based, real-time remote monitoring solution. Managing Wi-Fi in a mid to large facility or campus-wide network is a daunting task. It may involve a large IT team or an IT administrator wearing multiple technology hats. NETGEAR Insight provides the ideal cloud solution for a less complex yet easy to use implementation, offering the IT network administrator or managed service provider the ability to create an organization of the business into which multiple network locations can be created to separate and organise SSIDs and access points throughout the many rooms or floors of the building. In most large wireless installations, access point connectivity and management is always the main hindering factor in all deployments. With Insight, multiple locations within an organisation can be created to maximise connectivity and enhance manageability. For example, a typical SMB deployment might have 100 access points spread throughout a 2-storey building. Using multiple locations, 2 network locations are created, floor 1 and floor 2, with 50 access points configured and managed in the floor 1 location. And yes, you've guessed it, the other 50 access points configured and managed in floor 2. Large networks are best managed when they are divided into smaller logical locations to provide better security, higher reliability, higher robustness, and easier manageability. Also, in addition to creating multiple organisation locations, Insight also provides high-density wireless configurations for each wireless network. Larger wireless deployments often run into issues relating to high-density usage and poor connectivity. And while latest wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi 6 or 802.11ax have tools such as OFDMA and MU-MIMO to supplement the high-density demands, in reality, the locations will include older generation access points. And while Wi-Fi 5 is expected to coexist with Wi-Fi 6 for quite some time to come yet, it is important to bear in mind during the initial client discussions. Tools like separated SSID or VLAN-based SSID and SSID management are already available in older or legacy access points to help alleviate some of the dense environment issues. An SSID, or Service Set Identifier, is the unique name that identifies a wireless network. And Insight Managed Access Points allow users to configure up to 8 SSIDs per radio, that being 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, with the ability to limit the amount of bandwidth usage for each of the wireless clients or radios. VLAN-based SSIDs can also be configured, placing wireless clients onto a VLAN, which can then be isolated for security or VLAN rerouting. Insight also includes a set of powerful tools such as load balancing and 802.11k VR for roaming, as well as being able to configure multiple access points in a high-density environment or a large deployment of access points. You can find out more information about high-density features in the resources section of this course page. Managing multiple access points at a mid to large wireless deployment may become cumbersome and complex to manage. NETGEAR Insight provides the ideal solution to assist managed service providers and customers with the perfect cloud management solution. Normally, many deployments with less than 50 access points are configured as a flat wireless network, where all or many access points are on the same VLAN or LAN. And NETGEAR's Insight can provide the ability to implement high-density and separated wireless networks from a single flat wireless network environment using the multiple network location feature in a configured organisation.